Ever since I was a little kid, I've thought how beautiful this car looks. There's just something about its styling, the sporty face, the sexy brake lights, I don't know. I just like them a lot, especially the facelift ones. I mean, look at this. Those tiny fog lights, that subtle change in the headlights and the kidney grille is just freaking awesome. And don't even get me started on the M1s. Such a wonderful financial mistake. But then there's the grim reality. Out here in the Eastern Europe, the E46 is often barely running on our mostly beautiful roads. Bavarian precision doesn't really like Eastern Europe's potholes or road salt. It's the go-to car for people who love speed, but haven't quite mastered the art of not crashing. It's a grim reality. Many of these luxury icons are living their ninth life like a geriatric cat in a bad neighborhood. It's not all bad news though. While most of us settle for a 320D or a 316i for that sweet fuel economy, there are legends out there restoring M3s and CSLs. But even the budget ones get the special Balkan treatment. Angel eyes, fake M package badges and sport suspension that makes your teeth rattle. All of this while the dashboard is glowing like a Christmas tree. If there isn't at least one warning light on, is it even a BMW? It might be leaking some oil. It might cost a fortune to maintain, and your mechanic may have a restraining order against you. But every time I see it, boy do I still want one. What about you? Is the E46 a masterpiece or just a glorious headache? Let me know in the comments.